Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming for you what I got for Christmas. I filmed this last year and you guys seem to really like it, so I wanted to film it again. Just a preface, I'm not bragging, I'm just sharing. I am just as nosy as everybody else. I love to watch these, so I wanted to share with you what I got. I'm like, this is like the last Christmas thing I'm going to be doing. I just took down all my decorations. I'm like, okay, now I need to go upstairs and film this so that I can just kind of move along into the new year. So that is what I'm gonna do. If you guys want to see what I got for Christmas, then please keep watching. I'll start with some of my stocking stuffers. The first thing that my mom got me were these Eco Tools Perfecting Blenders. They're like two little beauty blenders, one's smaller, really good for under the eyes, and one's bigger. I've talked about these on my channel before. They're amazing. I'm so happy she got me these because my beauty blender is looking cray. So I'm definitely going to be opening these after this video. Next thing, she always for everything gets me perfume. It's like so signature her, and I just love that about her because I love perfume. This year she got me the Dolce & Gabbana light blue perfume. This is such a classic staple. I've always had it, and for some reason right now I'm out of it, which is just so funny. Like, I've always had it in my collection since I was like 14. So I'm out of it. She got me a new one. It's amazing. I'm so excited to open this and start using it, but I wanted to film this video first. Next, I think I've told you guys about this tradition that we do every single year. We open up a present on Christmas Eve and we wear our pajamas and we all match. But this year we did a sleepover on Christmas night instead of Christmas Eve. So we actually opened these on Christmas and then we wore them all Christmas night day, slept in them, and then we do like a big brunch the next day with all of my cousins, and it was so fun. So my mom picked out these, which are so cute. They're from Macys. They're the brand Charters Club, and they're just like the perfect white, red, and green Christmas plaid. Like, I just love them so much, and we always do like a full matching set. So cute, love them. I Instagrammed a picture in them too. They're just so cute. I love this pattern. So, okay, I'm gonna stick on the pajama theme. I like told people that I wanted pajamas this year, which is just so funny. I'm such a pajama person. As I get older, I'm like, I want to match when I go to bed, which is just so funny. So my mom got me this amazing PJ Salvage. I think you guys have like probably heard of them. They're selling everywhere right now. They're so big. This adorable like little thin sweatshirt and this like really pretty. I'm wearing the pants right now. Sorry, had to be wearing them. They're so comfy. I was not taking them off. They are like joggers though. So they're like tight at the ankle. They're so soft. Like, I wish you could touch this material. If you've ever felt stuff from Wild Fox, it feels very similar, but I'm really into this like matching like loungewear. I don't know, like, I mean, you could definitely wear this too with just like a pair of leggings, but I'm just like so into that right now. I just can't get enough. Then sticking with like loungewear pants and pajamas, my friend Emily got me these adorable white and blue striped J. Crew pajamas. They're so cute, and they are also like the softest like jersey stretchy material. I've worn them to death already. I've like sent her like 5 pictures in them and in me wearing them, and she's probably like, take them off, like take them off. But they're freshly washed right now, so I'll probably be wearing them tonight. I love them so much. I'm such a pajama person. Like, oh my god, it's my favorite. I got a pair of shoes for Christmas, which I'm obsessed with them. So Franco got me something really nice, which I will show, and it didn't come in like in time for Christmas. It came in like a day or two after, and so he felt like so bad because he was like, you're not gonna be opening anything, which I'm like not like that. Like, I don't care, but he's just so sweet. So he picked up these Steve Madden Mules for me that I told him like a while ago I was obsessed with. They have little like bedazzled ladybugs on them, and they're just like slides. They look so Gucci to me and like incredible, and I've worn them so much. I can tell you a couple things I've worn them with. I feel like I always have to tell you guys how I style things. But I've worn like a white little Oxford, a pair of gray jeans, and these. I wore like a gray sweater, a pair of like black jeans, and these. I just think like if you're dressing plain, and I can wear these in my office, so for me they're like so perfect. And I just love that like Gucci vibe that they give off. I'm just like so into them. They did have a couple in the Nordstrom sale earlier this year that looked similar, but these are so, like, they were like kind of crushed velvet. This black velvet to me looks like rich. Like, they're nice. I love them. Next thing that I got, which is so funny, you guys are gonna be like, who on earth bought you that? Because it is probably 7 degrees outside today when I'm filming this. I think 7. Yeah. This is a bikini that I wanted so bad from Frankies Bikinis. It is like the cutest red, so that's kind of why I was given it, because it's Christmas, but also I'm getting married this year and they knew I was going to be going on a honeymoon, and then I wanted it so bad. So this is from my stepmom, and my dad got me this bikini, which is kind of funny. You're probably like, why did your dad buy you that? But my stepmom, really, obviously, was the one. So it is this like U-shaped, like knotted red ribbed bikini that is just so cute. I was like, she was asking me what I wanted, and I was like, honestly, I don't know, but like I think I'm good on like winter clothes, and I need to start thinking about my honeymoon. Otherwise I'm gonna like go broke trying to like dress myself for my honeymoon because I'm like getting so excited. We don't exactly know where we're going yet, but I know there's gonna be a beach. Otherwise, yeah, that's just definitely a must. So this is from the website again, Frankies Bikinis. She picked this color out for me. I just kind of told her the style I wanted, and I'm obsessed with the red. I can't get enough. I'm so excited about it. Okay, switching along to something my grandma got me, this amazing black faux fur jacket. You guys, this is so amazing. I feel like she was watching my videos or something because this is from H&M. It like goes to right like a little bit below your waist. It is so beautiful and soft and like looks so nice. And I've mentioned to you guys 1,000,001 times, I'm so on the faux fur train, it's not even funny, and I just love this. I'll tell you kind of the reasons why later. You'll see some gifts that I know I'm going to be wearing it with. Even those like shoes I just showed you I think would be so cute, but I love like an all black look. Throw this on, like a red lip. Oh my god, so cute. Loving this. She also got me, which is just so funny, she got me this like really like sexual, I hate to use that word, but it is like a black robe, a velvet robe that she was like, this will be perfect for when you're married and you're in your honeymoon, which is just so cute. It's like a little lingerie robe. It's really like a dressing robe. Like you could get ready in this. It's super light. It's not like I just got out of the shower robe. It's more like while you're getting dressed, and then you won't mess up your hair because it kind of like ties. I honestly thought it was a dress when I first opened it because it's so beautiful. Like it like looks like a wrap dress, but it's not. It's a little robe. And she also got me like a little nightie to go under it, but it's in the wash. I've worn it. It's so pretty. It's just black and it has like a little bit of like gold pattern on it. It's beautiful. Got me 2 sweaters, which I'm loving both of them so much. I wore this one yesterday. This is one from the line BP at Nordstrom, and it's like this little like ruffly sweater. I don't know if it's gonna pick up the details, but it has ruffling right here, ruffling on the sleeves. I think you guys know I'm like obsessed with this trend, but this one is so cute because it's really thin and really soft, and I think you could kind of pull this off like in the spring too with like a little skirt and kind of tuck it in and maybe some sneakers. I think it would be really cute. And she got me this sweater from a local store here called South Moon Under. She always finds like the coolest stuff, and this is like a little like wrap crisscross black sweater that I did also wear already. It's so pretty, and then it kind of has these like cutouts right here when you wear it, so like I don't know, it's just a really pretty sweater, and it fits like a glove. And what I love the most about this is like it's classy enough that you could wear it to work, but it's fun that you could wear it out, and I feel like she's the queen of that. She always finds things that like are so versatile and like you want to wear out, but you also want to wear to work, and so you get a ton of use out of her gifts, which that's the key. Next thing she got me is probably like the coolest thing she's ever bought me. It is this leather jacket right here. It's so cool. It's from Blank NYC, and it's super funky, and I'll tell you guys kind of why she picked this out for me. Like, look at that detailing, like for the summer or for the spring, even now, but like it has like flowers, so you can wear this and you can like pull this leather off in the summer. So I told her that I just wanted her to pick out, she has really good style, like she dresses way better than I do. But she asked me like what I wanted, and I was like, gosh, I don't really know, but it would be amazing if you just bought me some things that I would never buy myself. Like go to the store and find like the funkiest, coolest thing ever and just get it, because I'm not going to probably spend my money on it, but I want to have it. So that's exactly what she did, and she couldn't have done a better job. It's so cute. I can't wait to wear this in the summer with like a white t-shirt and jeans, shorts, or like jeans, but also now with like an all black look. I just think it's so cool. I love the stud detailing. It's just so unique and so her and so me too. Next is like the coolest jacket ever. My grandma also got me this. This is a like almost like those teddy bear coats, but it's camo, and it's so warm and fuzzy and amazing, and I can't get enough of it. Like I'm so obsessed with this. I've worn it like almost every day since I've gotten it. It's so cozy. Like I've worn it with all black. I've worn it with like tan. I love jackets that kind of have something going on because I'm such a basics, I'm such a basic person. I love basics, and so like for me to just throw on like a bootie that has a pattern, or a coat that has a pattern, or like a fun pop of color on a lip or a bag or a shoe is much easier for me to style than like a bunch of pattern blouses, because I'll wear them once and I'm like, oh, I wore that, I'm bored of it. And so getting me like stuff like this, oh my gosh, I wear to death. Last but certainly not least, this is the present that Franco got me. I haven't even worn it yet, and I'm so excited to wear it. I like, oh my gosh, you guys. So he got me the Gucci disco bag in red, which is so amazing. And exactly what I was saying to you is that I love to wear like all black and like throw this on and this kind of be the star of the show. I feel like for designer bags, I do have some that are more neutral, but my ones that I go to the most are like kind of cool and they're different and they're not everyday bags. Besides like some that I have that are just plain black that like obviously I love and wear all the time. But I mean for like a little like shoulder bag, like a bag when you're going out, not your everyday bag. I just love this. I love that it's red. I'm so excited to wear this, you guys. He did so good and spoils me and always does. But this is what I was saying, like with the black fur jacket, like this to me is so cute. I'm like all black and just throw this on. I don't know, I'm just loving it so much. I'm so excited. And this bag, I can like eventually do a review once I've worn it. Fits a lot. Like my full size wallet fits in here. I tried it, and so I think this will actually be a lot more useful than I was originally thinking. Like I think like when I'm traveling, this will be my go-to bag because it zips and it's really secure, so your stuff won't fall out. And it's also really soft, and I love that it's red because I can just throw on like a white t-shirt and jeans and like a black leather jacket and this, and I feel like it elevates your outfit so much. So I'm so thankful. I love it so much. Okay, so that is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. I will see you in my next video. I hope that you guys had an amazing holiday season with your family and friends. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon. Bye.